Oh no. Ugh. This wasn't supposed to happen. I ruined it. I ruined it.
Hey Danny, what happened?
The glue went everywhere. There's a part that won't line up. And this piece just snapped. It was going fine, and now it's just messed up.
Good.
Good?
Yeah, that right there, that's where the learning starts.
But it's messed up. It's not like the box anymore.
Danny, the goal was never to keep it perfect. The goal was to learn what to do when it isn't. Every builder hits this moment. The glue runs, the part doesn't fit, something snaps, and right here, you've got two choices. You could say, I ruined this, and then stop right there. Or you could say, what can I learn from this, and continue on.
So, I didn't fail?
No. You just found the part where most people quit. This isn't the end of the build. This is the start of becoming a builder. Okay, Danny, let's just step back and slow down. First off, tell me what happened.
I think I used too much glue.
Good, that's data. What else happened?
I didn't test fit the parts.
Better. See, Danny, that mistake didn't ruin your build. It just taught you how to build the next one better. Out here, things go wrong. But in here, you decide how to respond.
So the glitch isn't the problem.
The reaction is. So here's lesson 2 of the bench ready mindset. When something goes wrong, don't panic. Pause, take a deep breath, look at it, learn from it. That's how you level up.
Okay, let's try again.
Next time, we'll talk about patience and how rushing a model is the fastest way to ruin it.
I ruined it. I ruined it.
Hey, Danny, what happened?